Good day, sir. This video clip is about crafting writing prompts for narrative, imaginative, expository, and persuasive. First one is the narrative. According to Susan M. Brockhart and Anthony J. Nitko, narrative is something that really happened. For example, write an essay about your unforgettable experience when you had during your first experience in baking. Be sure to give specific details that explain why that this was a happy or sad experience so your classmates understand your feelings. Next one is imaginative. According to Susan M. Brockhart and Anthony J. Nitko, imaginative is something that did not or could not happen. For example, suppose that one day you woke up and found that you were Chef Rachel Ray. What would happen to you? What are the things you want to do as a famous chef in the whole world? Write a story that can put into our class portfolio that tells what happens to you when you are a Chef Rachel Ray. Be sure to give specific details about what your life as a chef like. Next is expository writing. According to Susan M. Brockhart and Anthony J. Nitko, expository is an explanation with details. For example, an appetizer is a refreshing simple food or drink offered before the meal to the guest soon after arrives. Think about one appetizer you want to make that you believe that this will be good for you. Write an essay that explains on how that appetizer conveys to the guest. Be sure to explain very carefully and clearly so that your classmates reading your explanation can understand. And the last one is the persuasive. According to Susan M. Brockhart and Anthony J. Nitko, persuasive convinces the reader of a point of view. For example, suppose bread and pastry students had 3 hours of baking, including frosting and applying an icing, time every Monday. The teacher wants your suggestion about one thing bread and pastry students should do for the rest of the time. What is the only thing you would suggest? Write an essay that to the subject teacher that would convince the bread and pastry teacher that he or she should use your idea. Explain your idea about using the free time is the best possible and should be followed. Give some reasons to support your position. And that could be all. Thank you.